Yeah, look at that. Look at that, gang. It's the 16th of April. It's a beautiful, beautiful moon.
Yeah.
It's the what moon, Cookie?
Pink moon?
It's the pink moon, says the Feodora. But we have something going on over here at the grill. We got some hot apple cider. It's kind of chilly tonight. It's probably in the late 60s maybe. But yeah, let's see how this tastes. They're gonna turn the light on so I can actually see what I'm doing out here. There we go. Look at that. All right, ladies, give me your mugs.
The beautiful one.
Oh yeah. Come on, get some of this, baby.
Oh yeah,
Hold
kitty
it
cat
over.
brain.
Hold it over.
Kitty cat brain juice.
And for the lady, for the moon herself, you get some.
Thank you.
And then there's the king cup. That's right. Don't spin it. It does not say King's Dominion. Stop it.
Oops, I'm sorry.
Give my king cup. The king for me. All right, everybody. It's a toast.
Yes.
Happy pink moon.
Happy pink moon. Oh, I'm scared. I want to burn my tongue.